മഞ്ഞുതീരും വഴിയരികെ നാളേറെയായി കാത്തുനിന്നു മിഴി നിറയെ നീങ്ങു പോകിലും അകലേക്കുമായിടും എന്നാശകൾ തൻ മൺതോണിയുമായി തുഴഞ്ഞരികെ ഞാൻ വരാം. എൻ്റെ നെഞ്ചാകെ നീയല്ലേ, എൻ്റെ ഉന്മാദം നീയല്ലേ, നിന്നെ അറിയാൻ ഉള്ളു നിറയാൻ ഒഴുകി ഒഴുകി ഞാൻ ഇന്നുമിന്നും ഒരു പുഴയാൻ ആരാധികേ മഞ്ഞുതീരും വഴിയരികെ.
Consider the following statements with reference to the cultural history of India. Ravana kidnapping Sita and killing Jarayu is a famous painting of Raja Ravivarma. The works of Raja Ravivarma is completely indigenous without any Western influences. So actually this is a two statement type question, and the paintings are very very important for UPSC or in prelims examination. Cave paintings are there, Ajanta, Ellora, Bagh, Badami cave paintings are there. Miniature paintings are there like Pala miniature, Mughal miniature, Rajput miniature. Then these modern schools of paintings are there, folk paintings, Madhubani, Manjusha, Kalamkari painting, Kaligat painting. So these different schools of paintings are important for UPSC. Coming to this Raja Ravivarma paintings, they are completely indigenous. You see, completely indigenous, something fishy, completely indigenous. So actually the work of Raja Ravivarma is not completely indigenous. Actually, yes, he used Western techniques, Western styles and Western themes. Okay, so it is not purely indigenous. So that statement can be eliminated. Then Ravana kidnapping Sita, killing Jarayu is a famous painting of Raja Ravivarma. Sure, that is of course, you know that there are different themes. The main, Hamsa themes are the, so different themes, Indian themes he used. So number one, the statement one only is the answer. A is your answer. Now question number 2, with reference to Bhakti movement of ancient India that played a very important role in the country's culture, which of the following are correct? Bhakti Sufi traditions. Coming to Bhakti Sufi traditions, Nirguna school of thought considered God as formless. They focused on acquiring knowledge. Nirguna Saguna Bhakti cults are there. Nirguna believes in formlessness of God. Is that true? Or Saguna believes in formlessness of God? Saguna Nirguna Bhakti cults are there. Tamil saints, when we trace the origin of the Bhakti movements, we go back to these Alvar Naina traditions and all, Tamil Bhakti saints and all. Then there is a Saguna Nirguna Bhakti cult. Saguna means they believe God has a physical attribute. Okay, God has a physical attribute. They worship God in idols or in anthropomorphic traditions. That is Saguna. Nirguna believes God has no that physical attributes. Okay. So here Nirguna school thought God is formless and focused on acquiring knowledge. That is true. Both of these Bhakti saints, they focus on devotion. Devotion, that is the best solution for getting close to God and all. Okay, devotional songs, bhajans, dance, music. Okay, so first statement is true. Saguna school accepted spiritual authority of the Vedas, gave importance to devotion. Saguna school accepted spiritual authority of the Vedas and gave importance to devotion. That is also true only regarding Saguna. Kabir Guru Nanak belonged to Saguna school of thought. They are Nirguna school of thought. Dadu Dayal, Kabir, Guru Nanak, they believe God has no physical attributes. Okay, so one and two only. A is your answer. Yes, this horse named. So you heard about Gautam Buddha, various events in the life of Gautam Buddha. Okay, his birth and his great renunciation, Mahabhishkramana. Okay, and his enlightenment, then his first sermon and his death, symbolized by different events. Birth is by lotus, am I right? Mahabhishkramana, which is by horse, then enlightenment by that Bodhi tree, then this first sermon by that Dharma Chakra wheel, death by stupa. Okay, so this is something, the horse named Kandaga and this charioteer, Channa associated with which personalities, that is with Gautama Buddha. When he realized that world is full of sorrows, reason for sorrow is desire, and to end the sorrows you have to go for something else, See, Gautama Buddha, he lived a luxury life. One day he went out of the palace and he saw the sight of an old man, sick man, okay, dead body, ascetic. Then he realized that there is no eternal happiness. The physical pleasures, luxuries will not give you eternal happiness. So what is the source of eternal happiness? In search of that, he left his wife, child and luxuries, went in search of eternal happiness and peace. Okay, that is Mahabhishkramana, which is symbolized by horse. Okay, so this is related with the Gautama Buddha. Now select the correct pairs. Trimbakeshwar temple, Suryanarayana temple, Arasavalli temple, Kamakya temple, Omkareshwar temple. So Trimbakeshwar temple, Maharashtra, Suryanarayana temple, Andhra Pradesh, Kamakya temple, Assam, Omkareshwar temple, Madhya Pradesh. Matching pairs. The temples in the news. Okay, something which is related to restoration by Archaeological Survey of India. Okay, so temples which is into UNESCO sites, UNESCO list. So temples, whenever they are in the news, and the temples, the most popular historical temples belonging to Nagara Dravida Varsara styles of architecture, all are important for you. All these pairs are correct only. Okay, the temple with their site, temple with their patron, temple with their deity, or temple with their particular riverside. That is the way UPSC asks questions. Okay. Now, which among the following are parts of Upavedas? Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda, Shilpa Veda, all are parts of Upavedas. Okay. Now, there is a question with reference to cultural history of India term Granda, then this Vattalettu and this Kadamba, etc. refers to what? What does it mean? They all belong to script category. They are script. You heard about Kharoshthi script, Brahmi script, Devanagari script, Modi script. All these are script, category of script. Okay. Indus script is there, Gurumukhi script is there, Kharoshthi script is there, Brahmi script is there, Devanagari script is there. All are scripts only. Kadamba script is there. Consider the following statements regarding Jainism. Shvetambara strictly followed 5 constraints in life to attain Kaivalya. Digambara tradition, monks do not wear clothes as this sect believes in complete nudity. Digambara Jains believe women cannot be Tirthankaras and Malli was a man. Which is not correct, they are asking. Not correct. Is that first statement correct or not correct? Shvetambara strictly followed 5 doctrines in life to attain Kaivalya. What are the 5 doctrines? Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya, Abharigraha. Okay, 5 doctrines. Digambaras strictly follow these 5 doctrines of Vardhamana Mahavira. Shvedambaras follow only 4 doctrines. They don't follow Brahmacharya. Okay, so Shvedambaras strictly follow, no, it is not Shvedambaras, it is Digambaras. Digambaras strictly follow 5 constraints in life to attain Kaivalya as taught by Vardhamana Mahavira. Now, Shvedambaras, little bit yo-yo kind of, little bit changes are there. Okay. Digambara tradition, monks do not wear clothes as this sect believes in complete nudity. Complete nudity. True only. Digambaras believes in complete nudity. Because even a single piece of cloth, is a matter of possession. Any possession leads to sorrows, desires, etc. Digambara Jains believe that women cannot be Tirthankaras and that Malli was a man. Digambaras believe women cannot achieve salvation. They cannot achieve nirvana. And the 19th Tirthankara Malli is a man. Shvedambaras believe she is women. Okay, princess. So here the not correct one is one only. So Buddhism, Jainism, their philosophies are important, doctrines are important, teachings are important, go for it. Now it's regarding ancient philosophies. Madhavacharya was a chief proponent of Dvaita Advaita philosophy, dualistic non-dualism. Vallabhacharya propounded Shuddha Dvaita in the moksha. In that moksha could be attained through deep-rooted love for God. So do you think Dvaita Advaita, it is the philosophy of this Madhavacharya? Dvaita Advaita. Dvaita Advaita. Nimbaraka is the philosopher of that school. Dvaita Advaita. Dvaita Advaita. Yes, that is Nimbaraka is the philosopher. Madhavacharya's philosophy is Dvaita, just Dvaita. Dvaita. Vallabhacharya Shuddha Dvaita is true only. That is true only. Okay. Now, question number 10. A community of people called Murya tribes is well known for their musical traditions. They are known for their musical traditions in central India. So, these various communities, the cultural communities of India, UPSC asks of the Western India, Central India, Eastern India, Northeastern India. Okay, so the cultural communities are important for you. Now, consider the following statements regarding Jnanapida Award. It was awarded only to Indian citizens. Is that true? Yes, it is not given posthumously. That is also true. Both are true because nowadays UPSC started asking on awards and these, like prizes and all. So take care of those aspects also. Both are correct here.